Now before we canter, we want his head to be down. There we go for the trot, there we go. Add a little pressure. That's it. Nice, again, so he surged on us, cantered. Whenever he broke down to a trot, we didn't give him repercussion for it. There we go. Very nice. Let him take a little breather there. So from here, we're just gonna turn him back into the wall. When he tries to come towards us, that outside rein is gonna keep him straight. So you can see how we can paint a beautiful picture of the release.